Nakakuha kami ng notification na may software update si Tesla. Check natin. Oop, yeah, lakas ng ulan. Software update. Version 2026 20.300 will take approximately 40 minutes to install. Medyo matagal yung installation niya. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. See you in 40 minutes. Okay, nakita ko na si Grok. Hey Grok,
Hey, what's up?
can you help me with something?
Sure, what's up?
Can you help me turn my mom's wedding album's old photos into a wedding film?
Grok.com/imagine lets you upload photos and turn them into short animated videos right in your PC browser. Use Grok Imagine for quick animations, then Premiere to weave them into a full emotional film with fades, narration, and her favorite song.
What do you think about my idea about turning the old photos into a wedding film?
I love it. It's heartfelt and will mean the world to your mom, breathing new life into those memories.
Yung parents ko, they got married in 1978 sa Manila. So if you got married back then in the 70s, all you have for the memories are brown, faded wedding photos. So later today, after namin maayos yun sa GSIS, what if instead of just giving my mom the photo album, she also gets to relive the wonderful memories of that day by watching it as a modern wedding film.
But never learn to rise above these crowds. Stuck in the dust of the life that you found.
Hindi lang photo album yung bibigay ko sa'yo ngayon. Marirelive mo yung buong wedding day mo ngayon.
Asan?
Panoorin mo dito.
Sing me a sweet song, whispered on the breeze.
Yun nga yung spot.
Sit down beside me in an old memory.
Pinili ko yung lyrics na yun.
Under the moonlight, beneath the northern star.
Ang ganda ko pala.
Oh, baby, dream of me too. From where
Sabi ni Sydney, is that wawa?
Napanood na niya yun.
Napanood na
Oo,
niya.
sabi niya, when are you going to show Lola? Lola so pretty.
Sabi niya,
blue shadows waning at the break of day,
galing naman.
sounding of the morning dove that calls you away. I'll be awaiting messages from afar. Send to me a melody from where you are.
Paano mo nagawa yan na gumagalaw-galaw? Nahihirapan niya naman yung mga ganyang technique.
Send to me a melody from where you are.
Uy, kasama siya.
Ano, nagustuhan mo?
Oo. Ganda, ganda. Ang ganda. Galing. Thank you, thank you. Naiyak tuloy ako. Naiyak tuloy ako.
So yun, nakauwi na tayo. I think nagustuhan naman ni Mama yung gawa namin ni Grok. Inuulit-ulit panoorin yung video. So kung nagustuhan nyo din, please like and subscribe. Malaking tulong para sa channel to. At kung gusto nyo din matutunan kung paano gumawa ng AI video na to, lalo na para sa parents nyo or sa grandparents nyo, please comment below. Tinan natin kung makagawa tayo ng tutorial video. Yun lang. Thank you!